Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Winhttrack is installed and up to date. Run it with admin rights when necessary. Next, create a concise project name and choose a base folder so files stay organized. Then, paste the target URL or list of URLs and set an initial download depth and simple filters. This controls scope and prevents needless files. Once done, make sure the connection settings match your network speed before starting the mirror so you avoid timeouts and partial downloads. Now you move into advanced configuration to shape what gets copied and how. Change maximum connections and transfer rates to respect the server and prevent local overload. Set sensible timeouts to retry when fragile. Use scan rules to explicitly include directories and exclude assets you don't need, for example, large video folders or tracking queries. Also, specify a browser ID string, proxy, or custom headers if the site requires them. This helps access content that checks client identity. Start the mirror and watch the log for HTTP errors or blocked resources. You should scan progress periodically. After completion, open the local copy in your browser and test navigation, links, and multimedia playback so you confirm completeness. If items failed, retry them or adjust filters and depth. Sometimes increasing depth by 1 or permitting specific query strings fixes missing pages. Troubleshooting tip: if many requests fail, reduce concurrent connections and add delays. Servers often throttle aggressive crawls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.